Good morning. Good afternoon. Ayan, naglalakad na ako. Magmi-meet kami nila si Smila dun sa may Durbar Marg. So, nag-book na lang ako ng scooter. Medyo mainit ngayon, kaya mag-scooter tayo. Ayan siya, nag-iintay na. Tapay na. Paglit lang, sakay muna tayo. Where can I put my feet? This side? Okay.
Where are you from, ma'am?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yes.
Taka.
Sorry?
Taka.
Mabuti po. You know how to speak Tagalog?
Before, when I was in Dubai,
Okay.
that there was my friend from Philippines. Taka, Mabasaka,
Okay. So you work in Dubai also?
Yeah.
I was there also in UAE 3 months ago. Yeah.
You just visiting or what?
No, I settled here with my husband and kid. Yeah.
Also from Philippines or?
No, my husband is in Nepal. No way here, I think. Other side.
Your husband Nepali?
Yeah, my husband is Nepali. Here, yeah.
That is how you are Nepali citizen, huh?
Not yet. We are planning to probably by next year. Yeah. So ayan, on the way na kami sa new road. Tapos tong yung nasakyan ko, bale, nagtrabaho kasi siya sa Dubai, so alam niyang mag-communicate ng English. So as usual, late na naman ako. Time check, 12 o'clock, past 12 na. So na-late ulit ako. Ayan ang way papuntang New Road. Ay, hindi. Oo, Durbar Marg.
So you are going to Philippines also?
So far, no plans yet. I just arrived 3 months ago from Dubai.
Yes.
Yeah, here.
Oh, that is you are staying in Dubai. I'm up here also.
Yeah, I work in Al Ain actually.
Alright.
Yeah.
Your husband also there?
No, before, but he stayed here. Yeah.
You like Nepal?
Yeah, it's same like Philippines also. Only the difference is it's a bit cold here because in Philippines very hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's mountain, too many mountains.
Yeah. But then no sea here, right?
Yeah,
In Philippines, a lot of mostly islands.
Right? There's so many islands.
Too many islands. Here, too many mountains. Yeah, but mostly it's similar to Philippines. Yeah.
What is your job over there?
Sorry?
What is your job? Alive.
Work, I'm working as in procurement.
What?
Purchasing officer. Yeah. Buying team. I'm in a buying.
In UAE, Alive is very good place.
Yeah, because it's like very peace.
There we can find some greenery in UAE. Almost all area.
Yeah?
Only in Alive we can find some green area.
Yeah. And a lot of greens.
I stay Alive like 4 months.
Oh. Where you work in Dubai?
before I work as a security guard.
Oh.
PSPD security guard.
Where?
G4S.
G4S. My brother-in-law also, my husband's brother, in security guard in Abu Dhabi before. I think it's security guard.
Yeah, because security guard good salary.
Oh.
That's not good.
Yeah.
But
GS4.
Very good.
Oh.
After that, I promoted to supervisor. And after that, I went in one construction company to work as an admin. After that, it was good for me for like 26 months.
Oh.
After that, you know, this COVID.
Oh, yeah. So, COVID time, you were still in UAE?
Sorry?
COVID time, you were still in UAE? Okay.
After that, 8 months, company didn't give us salary.
Ah,
So I came able
yeah.
I never went back.
Okay, malapit na tayo. So you just recently settled here also? Came back?
Sorry?
You just recently came back from...
No, almost 3 years.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So may malaking mall dito. Sorry. Kala ko Mall Hilton pala. Hilton Kathmandu. Laki ng ano na to, no? Hotel. So ayan, nandito na tayo sa Kingsway. Sa Durbar Marg na tayo. Sa loob nito may museum. Tapos may mall doon banda. Ito yung pinaka main entrance ng ayan, dating palasyo.
You know this house, huh?
Yeah.
Our royal
Narayanti
But now
Palace
it's
Museum. Yeah. So, eto na, malapit na ako. Mamaya na lang ulit. Okay, nandito na ako. Nauna pa pala ako. Akala ko late na ako. So, hintayin ko lang sila. So, bago yan, i-tour ko kayo dito. Hindi naman total tour. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung way. Masyadong malapit. So, tinawagan ko si Sis Camille. Sabi niya, malapit na daw siya. 5 minutes. Akala ko, late na ako. Ako pala yung mauuna. Okay, so ayan siya. Doon banda, ang Palace Museum, Narayanti. Tapos pag, katulad ng sabi ko noong nakaraan, mga high-end brands yung nandito. May Hard Rock Cafe doon. May Baskin and Robbins din. So dito ako naghihintay sa may KFC. Ayan. Pag dumiretso ka doon, new road na yon. Okay, so hintay lang tayo sa kanila. Medyo mabilis kasi yung yung sinakyan ko na scooter. Kaya iyon. Okay, so far iyan lang muna. Mamaya naman ulit pag nandito na sila. Okay? So ayan, nandito na kami sa Japanese restaurant. Maraming salamat kay Ate Japan na extend yung blessing sa amin. Pa-experience ng ng Japanese food.
Sa kaibigan ng asawa ko. Sa kaibigan ng asawa ko.
Okay lang mga drinks nila.
May bata.
So andito na kami sa Sanji. Paano i-pronounce to? Sanchan ramen? Sanchan. So, ayan na ang pagkain namin. Miso soup daw to. So, thank you. So, order kami ng bento box daw. Chicken cutlet. Thank you. Thank you. So, ayan na. Matitikman na namin ang Japanese food. Okay. Buksan natin. Diyan. Wow. Look at that. May kimchi. Thank you. May kimchi. Tapos may ano. Okay. Kain tayo, guys. Kain tayo. Maraming salamat po sa sponsor namin ulit. Thank you, ate. Okay.
Sabi niya, I already take my first bite. Patik tayo ng picture sa kanila.
Ay, ang cute ng chopsticks nila. Matulis yung ano. Para ano. Kain tayo. Mag-soup muna pala. Saan yung bagay yun? Okay, magpapapicture muna kami. Kain-kain tayo.
Thank you.
Ay, pumikit ang mata ko. Pumikit ang mata ko. Ayun, kala ko po. Thank you, ate. Thank you kay ate Japan. Thank you po. Wow. Cheers. Ito na lang yung soup. Yung soup tayo. Kampay tayo ng soup. Kanpay pala. Okay. Iba yung kulay. So, ayan, umorder din si ate ng ano to? Sushi. Sushi. Tempura to? Tempura siya. Sushi to. Sushi. Prawn. Sa Sharjah? Alnada. Malapit sa Alnada. Isa lang. Marami daw temptation tulad ng... Oo. Okay.
Papapili ka talaga kasi doon pag
lalo na yung sale talaga.
Pag sa mula ng trabaho, alam ko agad.
Kain tayo. So, ayan, may isa pang order, tempura naman. Wow. Na-miss ko yung seafoods. Walang seafoods dito sa Nepal. Meron naman pala, pero mahal. Ay, hindi, wala talaga. Hindi fresh ang seafood dito. Ayan, o. Ayan, titikman naman namin ulit yung tempura. Ang laki.
Yung sauce, anak. Ano ito? Parang
Gamayin na lang natin. Oops. Look at this. Ang haba ng shrimp.
Nakita mo sa kanya?
Ah, it's okay. No need. Yan. Maanghang.
Galing mo na lang.
Maanghang ba to? Hindi.
Parang vinegar. Dapat may ganito. May complimentary ulit.
Oo. Sauce.
Anak, bilisan mo na go down now.
Ayan, oh. Tikman natin. Kamayin na lang.
Parang lumabas tayo ngayon kain. Sabi ko sa kanya, mamaya anak magmumot at punom dyan.
Endorse yun.
Ay, hindi pwede.
Arena pa lang yun natin.
Jersey, iwanan ka namin doon. Hindi ng jersey ka, alam mo pira. Favorite yun talaga yung jersey.
I'm very now full.
Pansinin mo kasi yung suot niya. Gusto niya. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung suot niya. Pero gusto niya talaga makita. Sabi ko.
Ayan, tapos na kami. Ayun yung restaurant. Okay. Mahal nga lang. Ayan. Naglalakad na kami. Papunta ng New Road.
Namimili siya, diba? Sabi ko,
Magday.
malangin yung mamili bago sa maliit. Sabi ng tatay ko, mamalit. Sabi ng tatay ko, sige, sabi mo mag-shopping siya.
Magda-digest muna kami ng kinain. Lakad kami papuntang New Road. Tingin-tingin lang doon. Ilibot ko kayo mamaya.
Mga pasalubong ko nga chocolate at saka sabon eh. Pina-order niya ako dun. Para naman maiabot ako. Sa mga banana look.
Ayun. Hello, ang daming tao. So, dito kami sa Bonita. Ayan. Order kami. Bago umalis. Ito ang so malapit siya dun sa Basantamu. Okay. Ayun, banda. Tapos ayan. So mostly dito bilihan ng mga mga damit, sapatos, ganyan. Ang luluma ng buildings. Tapos may temple dito. So bili lang ng sapatos si sis here. Okay. So si sis Camille nakauwi na kasi maaga siyang malayo kasi yun sa kanila. So, kailangan niyang umuwi ng medyo maaga. Time check nasa 4:30 ng hapon. Pero medyo madilim na siya. Okay. Ikot ko kayo. Ginagawa mo. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, SL Nepal. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.